Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable this function. Now let's go back. Enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, "Hey Google." "Okay Google." "Okay Google. What's the weather like tomorrow?"
It'll be mostly cloudy with a high of 57 and a low of 38.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.